You know, when I interviewed at Seneca Valley, I actually started to cry when I tried to tell this story, but I had a 7th grade teacher who was amazing, and I was a very shy 7th grader. Talk about bullying. Our school had it in spades, and singing gave me an outlet, and that teacher really gave me a lot of confidence, and I wanted to do for other students what that teacher did for me. So I just knew that since singing was something I loved to do, that I wanted to bring that same joy and confidence to the students that I would someday have. Right now, the class behind me is the women's chorus of the 10th grade. That is about half of the women in the 10th grade. This is the group that chose not to go through the audition process.
Well, at first it was just to do it, like in 7th grade, like just to, because it was chorus, it seemed easy, but after a while it seemed to become more of a family tradition type thing, so I just kept going.
Well, singing is a very physical activity, so we do stretches and we do vocal warm-ups to make sure that not only their voices are ready to go, but that their bodies are active. Sometimes you get toward the end of a school day and you tend to get a little bit worn out, so we try to wake back up and move a little bit to get their breathing going, get them standing nice and tall and ready to produce. Right now we're doing quite an eclectic bunch of things. We are doing an African piece called Osifuni Mungu, which is in Swahili. We started the year with that one because it's no fun to be singing about snow in September. And then when we moved forward from there, we were invited to sing at the Byam Theater on November 29th, which was kind of exciting. So any student that wanted to sing with us can, but the Byam Theater selected a piece for us. It's called Do You Hear What I Hear? So that was the second piece that we started working on for our concert, and we're going to perform it at both the Byam and back here at Seneca Valley. And then we have a standard that we've done for probably over 20 years now, that it's an a cappella number, which means not sung with any accompaniment, and they sing it at the end of the concert every year to get the choirs to move from the audience to the stage and all come together, because they're large groups and it's hard to fit them all on stage at one time, so we're working on that and getting ready for some solo tryouts. Honors Chorus is an opportunity that individual students who are interested in trying out can try out on their own and attempt to make it into a choir that is made up of schools from Beaver, Butler, Lawrence, and Mercer counties. All in all this year, probably about 40 schools attended the auditions. The choir only takes 96 students in, and we had 28 Seneca Valley students qualify of those 96. So it's a really great chance for students to show off what they can do and to work hard and to represent Seneca.
She's awesome.
Yeah, she's really cool.
She's really helpful. Like, I've learned a lot from her.
What's one of the things that you've learned from her?
Solfege.
Definitely solfege, definitely.
What is that?
Okay, goes
Do,
re,
mi,
fa,
fa, so, then la, ti, do.
I had to think for a second there.
I think everybody should join the Seneca Valley Chorus. We have the biggest men's chorus in the state of Pennsylvania. We have fantastic groups that go out, win competitions, and make Seneca proud, and always represent well. So any student that would be interested in joining is always welcome here.